Contractor tips you need to know when you own a home. Hi, I'm John Adams with the Renovation Minute, and I'm joined by Michael at Built Right and Erin of Bloom Real Estate. Erin, can you tell us a little bit about what people really need to know when searching for a contractor for their home?
Well, contractors, like any other licensed professional, are not all the same, and it really is imperative that you understand buyer beware. I recommend doing a license search on all your general contractors at myfloridalicense.com. Also, you can do a search on their business at sunbiz.org. Additionally, when you're going through the interview process with the general contractor, make sure that they can provide you a bid in a reasonable amount of time. I recommend getting at least 3 bids. Additionally, make sure you go through their portfolio of work. Well-regarded professionals usually carry a binder of work that they've done in the past to show you, or they'll have a social media page, or they will be able to evidence what it is that they say that they do. So just make sure that you do your homework, and make sure that you go through the referral process as well. If there are other people in the area that have had success with the local contractor, you may be better off using that person. But definitely just do your background checks and do your homework.
Yeah, it's important too. There's 2 sides to the renovation business. One part of it is, can you do the actual work? And doing all those things that Erin mentioned will help you validate their competency. But the flip side of it is, you have to be able to run a business as well, and that's where the failure often happens. So some good ways to vet a contractor's just ability to run their own shop is to get a couple of references of who are their largest vendors or subcontractors, and call those people. Say, do they pay their bills on time? Even to the extent of getting a bank reference, or also to know how many projects do they carry at any given moment. Because the reality is, especially with a renovation loan, you have to carry the project at least around 20% before they can draw any funds from a disbursement inspection. So they have to be liquid. They have to have the financial stability to carry the project to that point without running out of gas. So that's as important as, can I swing a hammer? Yeah, but can I balance my checkbook? That's just as important.
When you're looking for a contractor or any licensed professional for your house, make sure you check these simple references. Your lender is always going to backstop to make sure they met minimal compliancy, but they're not the final say-so. We rely on other professionals, just as you should, to inspect the home and to tell us about their reputation in the community. We look forward to helping serve you. If we can help you, please give us a call.